My name's Tom Master. I'm the Mateer and the Burt product line leader. In front of us here today, we have the Burt 704 roll-through hand labeler. This machine here is engineered to take cut paper labels and apply them onto a can as it rolls through here. This machine is controlled here by the control box where we turn on. We have the run cycle, we have the temperature for the glue, and we also have the controls for the label table. Labels are placed into the label table. Hands are put on the safety palm controls here, which when the hands are on the controls, that keeps them away from the pinch point and keeps the operator safe. The Burt 704 roll-through labeler is able to handle can labeling from a diameter of 2 inches all the way up to 704 or 7 4/16 diameter. Today we're working with 2 can sizes here, a 401 and a 502, very popular can sizes. This machine is also able to label paint cans and even paint cans with failures. We have a failure oriented here which registers the can as it goes down. The Burt roll-through labeler is able to be configured in 2 ways. Here we have the most common, and that is a right hand. The travel of the can would be from left to right, but we can set the machine up to go from right to left. This machine is a fully guarded machine for worker safety. When this is pulled up, the interlock is actuated and the machine shuts down for worker safety. As I said before, the 704 is able to run a 2-inch diameter all the way through a 7 4/16 diameter. The adjustment is made here and here for the height and for the diameter of the container. We have the hot glue pot here. The glue is applied to the can as it comes through. It travels down, picks up a label. Then there is paste applied to the lap seal, the press down of the label, and the exit from the machine. This machine here is always at the ready. So we can go from a simple 1 can operation roll through to, we have some that are up into the 800 cans per minute range. On the back side of the machine, we have the inside electrical control box here. We can run this machine on any electrics that the customer demands, 220, 230, 460 being probably most often, 525, 400, whichever the customer, 50, 60 hertz, whichever the customer demands. On the back, we also have the fully interlocked guarding package. Comes up, it shuts the machine down, and the worker can come in and make an adjustment if needed, or for cleaning up purposes or anything that might be needed at any particular time. Again, the direction of this roll through is coming this way, exiting and most likely going through a twister to a stand-up configuration to go down a conveyor line. The Burt is made such that the elevation can be changed a lot. There are different heights in different plants. The infeed is usually at a 30% downward, and the discharge is at a 30-degree exit. I appreciate the time that you had given me here to explain some of the features that a Burt roll-through labeler has. I look forward in the future, if you have any questions or any applications to discuss, contact myself or any Pneumatic Scale Angelus sales executive. Thank you.